What's up, guys? Rob from Clicks Geek, and in today's video I'm going to go through manual CPC bidding and with enhanced manual CPC bidding, and we're kind of just going to tear into that and just kind of go through what's actually happening, okay? And does it even work anymore when you're competing against Google's smart bidding algorithms who can adjust a bid in auctions hundreds of times every couple minutes, right? So it's going to get a little crazy with their smart bidding strategies, but we're going to go through the manual stuff right now. So first off, what is enhanced CPC? All right, so enhanced CPC, we'll go over to Google's help article. It's going to tell you right here the exact definition. It's a bid strategy that adjusts your cost per click to help maximize conversions or the conversion value. It combines manual bidding, so you're setting the bids. So let's say you have an ad group and you set it at $25 and all your keywords are $25. Well, if you have enhanced CPC checked on, Google is going to use this strategy to raise your manual bids in situations that seem more likely to lead to a sale or conversion on your website, and lower your bids for situations that seem less likely to lead to a conversion. So how does it do that? Okay, well, what enhanced CPC is actually doing is looking at your historical data, conversion data in the account, and it's going to go based off of that. It's going to go, okay, well, in the past, this keyword has converted X a percentage of times versus this one that's blah blah blah. And it's gonna identify keywords when you hit the auction that are more likely to lead to a conversion for you, and it's gonna automatically increase your bid a little bit to try and get you that conversion. All right, so enhanced CPC, that's what it does. It's kind of like a hybrid smart bidding option. All right, and when you just have this checked off, you're just doing manual CPC bids. And so that what that means is whatever you set the ad group bid at and your keyword bids at is what it is. That's it. Google's not doing anything. So that's what you're going to pay. So this is actually a really good bidding strategy, enhanced CPC, if you are one of the types who like to do manual bidding and stuff like that. So if we go into our demo account here, I think we got a fence campaign guy. We're going to go into settings. We're going to come down here into bidding, and you can see here, this is just manual CPC that we have checked. So if we have this setting that you're looking at right now, Google's just going to run whatever we set the bids at, and that's it. So if we check the box here, help increase conversions with enhanced CPC, now we're turning on enhanced CPC smart bidding, and you hover over here, it's going to give you, again, like a little definition of what it is and how it works and stuff like that. It's just a feature that Google rolled out to try and help people who like to bid manually increase their odds of getting more conversions. And that's pretty much it. So how this racks up against all these other, I mean, enhanced CPC, you can probably still compete pretty well. But like if you're doing manual CPC, just manual CPC, you're not going to be able to compete against target CPA and maximize clicks and maximize conversions and target return on ad spend. I mean, these are sophisticated pieces of AI technology that are just changing the bids and campaigns, like I said, hundreds of times per every, however often you go into your campaign and change it, whether it's daily or not, it's still not even come close to what these algorithms are doing. So my point of this whole video is, if you guys are running manual CPC, I highly, highly recommend that you at least check on enhanced CPC, because it's going to help you in the long run. It's going to get you more conversions. All right, so hopefully this video helps in kind of clarifying the difference between manual CPC and enhanced CPC. If you guys have any questions about this, drop them in the comments below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the description below this video. I put a link in there for our free ebook, which is how to increase your AdWords ROI. 5 hacks to increase your AdWords ROI. So I'll put a link to that there. You guys can grab that.